Hey guys, so this is part 2 of cleaning out my closet. Cute M&M. Alright, so this one just got approved. She's safe for now. I'm going to keep this one as well because it's got elastic so she fits perfect. This is a wraparound from Glassons when I was in New Zealand, but my waist goes further than the wrap at its tightest, so I think this can go as well. I've just got a couple maxis. I think this one's probably a little bit too big. Now I've got another maxi. This is from Roxy. I think the elastic is just tight enough to get away with for this season. This is another skirt I used to wear to town regularly. I think I will keep because it just fits more comfortably now, a bit looser. Again, this one still so fits because of the elastic, so it'll be good for days when I'm a little bit more bloated. She's a keeper. This one as well I think is just a little bit too boxy for me now, so that one's going to go. So this is the same skirt but in black. Again, a little bit boxy, but I think I might keep this one because it was always a little bit smaller. And with a belt, I think it will be fine. This skirt I think will have to go. It's like comically large. That is literally, this one's ridiculous. This one ironically was way too small when I bought it, but I kept it because it's like a Saba skirt just in case I lost weight, and now it's even a little bit big, but I'm still going to keep it because it's cute. This one is a little bit big as well, but it's got the knots, so I think that can be saved with a belt. So that was all the skirts. I ended up getting rid of 14 of them. Now I'm onto the dresses. Going to try on these and see what doesn't fit me and what does. Bought this one for work a while ago and I haven't worn it much, but I might put it back in my rotation. A little bit loose around the bust, but I can just wear a padded bra. She's keeping for now. I think this one has to go. Now it's just a little bit boxy. It's always had a bit of a dodgy zipper as well, but I think it just looks too square. Here's one that's, how bad is this? This used to be so tight on me as well, and now it looks ridiculous. But oh yeah, that's gonna have to go. It's literally like a sack, a potato sack. This is my mum's dress from the 90s, and it did fit me really well last year, but a bit big now as well, so that's I'm gonna give it back to mum. This one I'm not too sure because it fits really well, but I don't know about the style. It's very 2016. I hate it. I think it's just my like high school vibes. I'm pretty sure I bought it in high school, mind you. I'm gonna get rid of it. Alright, here's another one. I think she's gonna go because it's very big in the top as well as the side, but I feel like we're gonna lose it. We're gonna lose her any minute, so she's gone. And I'm gonna have to do a part 3 because I have so many clothes.